Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved a pineapple ombre nail design using Revel nail and Cherael dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. This was my first time using curved long tips and I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. This would have looked better without the curved tips. I think I'd use them at a shorter length because they look a lot better short. On the middle finger, I applied some activator because this is going to be my clear nail. As I've said before, applying activator to clear nails reduces and sometimes removes the cloudiness and bubbles that would occur with clear dip powder nails. Starting on the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on my nails. I did about 2 to 3 layers of that. Now on the pinky nail, I applied base to the whole nail and then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base again and now I am sprinkling the green dip powder on my nails and focusing it on the tip area to create an ombre, and then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on the nail bed area. I did one more layer after this. Now moving on to the index finger, I did the same thing. I actually forgot to apply my layer of ensemble the powder, and when I remembered it was a little too late. I had already sprinkled a little bit of the green on the nail bed, so I decided not to. So I sprinkled the green on the tip area and the ensemble on the nail bed area. I actually went too far down the nail with the ombre, but it didn't look too bad. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. And I actually saw this design on Instagram a while ago and wanted to recreate it. I don't think I have a picture of the design still, but if I do, I would make sure and place it in the video. Now I apply some activator to the nails to bring back some of the color of the nail, and I waited for it to dry. On the middle finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkled the clear dip powder on the nail. I ensured to apply activator in between layers. Then I encapsulated the nails with some clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing up the nails. Now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat to my nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. So this is the water decal that I'll be using for this design. So I cut out the leaves and removed the clear film. Then I placed them in the water for about 5 seconds and then I placed them on my nails. So on the ring finger, I wanted to do my pineapple. So this was the closest thing to the pineapple top that I could find. So I placed it into the water and left it there for about 5 seconds and then removed it and removed the white backing, and then I realized I forgot to remove the clear film before placing it into the water. Good thing I had another one. So I did it over and ensured to remove the clear film, placed it into the water for about 5 seconds, removed it and placed it on my nail. Now I'm using my Model 1's yellow gel polish known as Lemonade and my Model 1's blue gel polish and also some of my Born Pretty green gel polish. I mixed the yellow and the blue to see what shade of green I was going to get. It kind of looks similar to the Born Pretty green, so I kind of used all of them. So now I am drawing my pineapple. I drew the lines. I actually did the first layer and cured for 30 seconds and then I went and did the overlapping lines and cured for 30 seconds. I used all the colors to create some kind of dimensions or whatever. Now, using my Model 1's gel glue and top coat, I applied some rhinestones on the pineapple. It doesn't look too bad for a first time. I kind of liked it. My pineapple is a little on the big side, but who cares? I love big pineapples. I actually went in with a second layer of top coat on the middle finger because it was still a bit textured. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!